Hey buddies! Have you always wondered how you can give your Blender camera a natural and professional shake to make your animations more alive and realistic? Let's go! To start, I'll create a camera. By clicking the Toggle the Camera View button or pressing the 0 key on my keyboard, I can enter the camera view to choose a good and suitable view. Now this is where I need to move the camera the amount and in the direction I want. To do this, I'll go to the timeline, hold the mouse in the viewport area, then press I, and create a keyframe at the beginning of the movement, and after moving the camera, create a keyframe at the end of the movement. We're getting to the cool part. I'll enter the Graph Editor tab. The lines you see may seem a little confusing at first, but these are the same amount of camera movement in each direction you move. Each color represents a direction. Red is the x-axis, green is the y-axis, and blue is the z-axis. But to give it a shake, we generally shake the x and z-axes. I select the x-axis on the left side of the graph editor so that it turns yellow. That means it's selected. From the sidebar of the editor, I go to the Modifiers tab. I click on Add Modifiers and select Noise. The amount of noise is the same amount of movement. But this is too much and the camera might blow up. Just kidding. But we need to adjust it. The numbers I enter are arbitrary and will change depending on the situation. For testing, I set the scale to 110, and now I'm going to reduce its strength to 1/10 of its previous strength. You can see how much the curve of the line has decreased and become smoother. Let's play it to see the result. Oh no, still too much. I reduce the scale and power again, and look at the result again. The problem I think is that the movement time is too short. I go to the timeline and make the second keyframe a little further apart. Okay, now to save time, I'll apply the same changes to the z-axis. Next to the same Add Modifier section, there's a copy-paste option. You copy the x-axis settings and paste them into the z-section settings. Okay. Oh, I forgot to copy. Wait, almost done. It's done now. I just want to teach you a trick of the trade. Change some z-axis numbers to make your shake go from a fixed and even state to a more natural one. Now I'm going to play so that both me and you can enjoy it together. Have fun! Don't forget to leave a like and a motivating comment.